Step E. Opening and closing of handheld devices. Press 1 time to turn on the handheld device. Press 2 times to turn it off. Step R. Handheld device connection. Check the backside of the handheld device. You can see the Bluetooth code CH. Click to turn on device. Open the BROUAV application. Turn on the remote control Bluetooth. Find the corresponding Bluetooth code CH, then connect. Password 1234. After pairing is successful, return to the app interface. Click Not Connected. Single mapping ordinary handheld. Select the device CH, click to pair. Waiting to receive data. There will be a voice notification when the match is successful. Step Then use device for planning plots. Click the icon to the right of the application. Choose equipment tag type name for this field. Then we start mark point. Walk or take transportation to the first point. Wait a few seconds, then press boundary. Repeat this operation until the entire plot is planned.
At boundary point R.
If there is obstacle in your farm, you can tag in the same way.
At boundary point 3. At boundary point 4.
After finish
boundary
marking
point
point, press Save. Choose the plot you just marked. Press Call Homework, then adjust the spraying parameter. After adjustment is complete, click Start Work to start the job.